In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit full screen mode in the Cursor AI editor. If you've ever opened the editor and it takes over your entire display, hiding your taskbar or menu bar, don't worry. Full screen is great for focus, but it's just as easy to step back into a regular window when you need to multitask or access other tools. I'll walk you through two simple ways to do it, so you can use whichever feels most natural. First, start by opening the Cursor AI editor. If it's already open and filling the entire screen, you're in the right place. Make sure the editor window is active so your keyboard and menu inputs apply to it. The quickest method is with a single key press. On your keyboard, press F11. This key is commonly used across many applications to toggle full screen on and off. In the Cursor AI editor, pressing F11 immediately exits full screen mode. You'll know it worked when the window borders, title bar, and your operating system's taskbar or dock reappear. The editor will shrink back into a standard movable window that you can resize and position wherever it's most convenient. If you ever want to go back into full screen later, remember that F11 works as a toggle, so pressing it again returns you to that immersive view. If you prefer using menus, there's an alternative that gives you a clear visual confirmation of what's happening. With the editor open, move to the top of the screen and open the View menu. This menu is where display and layout options live, and it includes a straightforward command for managing full screen. Click Toggle Full Screen. As soon as you select it, the editor exits full screen mode, just like with the keyboard shortcut. You'll see your desktop elements come back into view, and the editor returns to a standard windowed layout. This menu option is especially handy if you like using on-screen controls or if you're already exploring display settings inside the editor. To recap the flow, open the Cursor AI editor, use F11 for the fastest exit from full screen, or open the View menu and choose Toggle Full Screen for a menu-driven approach. Both methods lead to the same result, so it really comes down to your preference. Once you're out of full screen, you can resize the window, drag it to another part of your screen, and continue working with your usual desktop tools visible. That's it. Simple, reliable, and quick. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.